Hello everyone. In this video I am going to demonstrate you a valve. So this is a valve, as you can see here. It looks like this. So there are two ports in the valve. This is the port number 1. This is the port number 2. The port number 1 is the input port of the valve and port number 2 is the output port of the valve. So the traveling medium has to come from here. Port number 1 enter from here and it will exit from port number 2. As you can see on the valve, this is the actuator of the valve. This black part is the actuator of the valve. This actuator has to be actuated with pilot air or water supply. You can see here it is mentioned the pilot is air or water with a pressure of 4 to 10 bar. So in this port we have to apply air or water with a pressure of 0 to 10 bar. The rating of the inlet pressure is between 0 to 10 bar. So this input pressure has to be controlled with a solenoid valve. For air or water, we have to feed air or water to a solenoid valve, and the output of the solenoid valve has to come here. So presently I am not showing you the solenoid valve. Okay, so this is the pilot. So in this point air has to come to open the valve. So when we give air to the pilot, this valve will open and water or air from this point it will exit from this point. So when we give air, the actuator will operate, it will move up and it will from the port 1 to port 2, air or water or oil will travel. So this is meant for air, water or oil. You can see medium is air, water, oil with a pressure of 16 bar. So this device can hold up to a pressure of 16 bar. You can see here it is written PN16. That means it is designed for 16 bar and it has a 3/4 inch thread. 3/4 inch thread means this thread is 3/4 inch pipe thread. You can see this is the threading. This is the threading. This is a 3/4 inch pipe thread. So now we can see here the temperature ratings. So this is for the pilot, for this air, the temperature rating is -10 to 60 degrees centigrade. Okay, and for the fluid also there is a temperature rating. It is -10 degree to +184 degree centigrade, and the dP across the device can be up to 10 bar. So the pressure difference can be 10 bar. Suppose there is a pressure here and there is no pressure here, so this difference maximum is 10 bar. More than 10 bar if we provide, this device may malfunction. So this is very important point. So more than 10 bar, like this, see, if this point is open to atmosphere and here we are giving a pressure, we are not supposed to give more than 10 bar, because it is mentioned here the differential pressure across the valve is 10 bar. So this is what all about this valve. And the most important thing is this valve is in normally closed condition. You can see it is written NC. Inlet port is 2. So this valve is normally closed condition. The valve is in normally closed condition. So when we give air here in the pilot port, that time the valve will open and the liquid or air or oil, whatever is supposed to travel, will travel through the valve. So this is the actuator and this is the valve. There are two parts. This is the actuator part, this is the valve part. So this is a very small and compact compact valve. So this is how a basic valve works. So this valve is manufactured by ASCO. It is made in the European Union. It is manufactured by ASCO Jucomatic. You can see the manufacturer name. So this is how a valve works. This is a basic theory of a pneumatic actuated or water actuated valve. This is not a solenoid valve, by the way. Solenoid valve has to come before this to actuate this valve. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Please follow us for more videos.